Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to make your Wix website a little more interactive, maybe add some fun and engaging games for your visitors, today's video is just for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to embed games right into your Wix site, giving your audience a great reason to stick around, have some fun, and maybe even win something in the process. So let's dive in and get your site leveled up. First, let's kick things off by heading over to the Wix App Market. This is kind of like an app store, but specifically for Wix websites. You can get there by clicking the App Market icon in your Wix editor, usually found on the left-hand side. Think of the App Market as your toolbox. This is where you'll find all kinds of add-ons that make your site more powerful. Once you're in, use the search bar at the top and simply type in Games. Wix will pull up a selection of apps and plugins designed specifically to add gaming elements, stuff like pop-up games, quizzes, and interactive campaign tools. Now, as you scroll through the results, look for something called Pop-Up Games. This app is particularly handy because it's designed to trigger games as pop-ups, which means your visitors won't need to go anywhere else or reload the page. The game just appears right where they are. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on it. This will start the installation process. Wix makes this super straightforward, and the app will integrate right into your editor workflow. Next, you'll get to create a campaign. This is basically the theme or type of game you want to deploy. Pop-up games usually offers a few fun classics: Wheel of Fortune, boxes, and roulette. You can pick whichever feels right for your audience. For example, Wheel of Fortune is a great option if you want your visitors to have a chance to win actual prizes or discounts. For today's walkthrough, let's select Wheel of Fortune. It's visual, interactive, and most folks instantly get how it works. Now here's a key detail. If you want players to win something real, like a coupon or a discount code, you'll need to have those coupons already set up and ready to go in your Wix dashboard. The wheel relies on these prizes to make each spin exciting, so add them in before launching to keep things running smoothly. But just to keep things simple for our demo, let's skip adding actual coupons for now and click Publish. This is perfect if you're just trying things out or testing the waters before launching a full campaign. All right, almost done. When your Wheel of Fortune is live, you'll want to capture visitor info, commonly a phone number, before they spin. This is a great way to build your marketing list or follow up with winners. Just enter a demo phone number for now, and then go ahead and give the wheel a spin. Watch as it animates, bringing a little bit of Vegas right to your website. And that's it. In just a few easy steps, you've made your Wix website way more interactive. Your visitors can play games, potentially win prizes, and leave behind contact details you can use for follow-ups or promotions. It's a win-win. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, and feel free to drop any questions in the comments below. I'm always here to help you out. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on more easy step-by-step guides to improving your site and building your brand. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.